Here is how to set up multiple profiles in Chrome. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Chrome. And once you're here, you have to click on the icon on the top right. And here, you can see your existing Chrome profiles. So along with the current one, I have 3 more over here. And if I want to add a new profile, I have to click on this icon that's here. After that, I have 2 options to sign in with my Google account or continue without an account. For now, I'll sign in. I'll just put my email ID. Password. And as you can see, we've created this account. Here they've asked us if we want to turn on sync for bookmarks, autofill extensions, and history. So if you want this, then select yes, I'm in. Then we can change the name of this profile over here. For now, I'll leave it like this. And then we can change the theme and look of this profile. So here, they have many options, and we can change them from here. So if you're done, just click on done. And now this profile is ready. So this profile is completely independent from the others. So you can have your own bookmarks, history, the accounts that you've signed in with, and even the look and feel. I've made a detailed video on that, so you can check it out. But essentially, each profile is completely independent of the other. And now let's say you want to switch to another profile. Again, click on the icon on the top right. And from here, if I want to switch back to this profile, I can click on it, and it's taken me back here. Then there's an option to manage all your profiles. Again, click on this icon on the top. Then select Manage Chrome Profiles. Then here, we have options like editing the name or the icon, or deleting a profile if you want to. So let's say I want to edit the name and icon of this profile. I'll click on the 3 dots and select Edit. Then over here, I can change the name. I can change the theme color from here. And then pick an avatar from any of these options. And if you want a desktop shortcut for this profile specifically, you can just select this option. And now if I go to my desktop, and here I've come to my desktop, and you can see this shortcut is for the same Chrome profile. So if I click on this, it will take me to my personal Chrome profile. And there's one last option that you should know. Again, click on this icon on top, go to Manage Chrome Profiles, and here there's an option to show this page on startup. So if you enable this, then every time you come to Chrome, you'll see this page and you can decide which profile you want to go to. But if you don't want to see this every time, you can disable this, and then you'll be taken to the profile you'd logged in with the last time you used Chrome. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to clear cache in Chrome, check out this video. Goodbye.